Here's something I just installed on my Jeep that I think is pretty cool. So this is a 1998 Jeep Cherokee XJ, and I have the Smittybilt tire carrier on the back, and it holds a jerry can on the inside. I just added this clever toolbox in place of a jerry can. As you can see, it locks right there. It's strapped in there. So I'll take it out and I'll show you all about it. So I haven't put anything inside of it yet. Basically, it comes with 2 keys that lock it here, and then this just twists. I'll do it with one hand. And then this opens up just like that. And it comes with these nice little liners, keep the tools from rattling around and stuff. And this tray actually comes out like that, and it has a little handle on it, so you can carry around whatever's inside, which is pretty neat. But it's not just that. It's not just that tray. This opens up as a door right here. You have a place for screwdrivers. I don't know if you can see that. Place for screwdrivers right there. And then 2 more trays, 2 drawers inside of here that also have these liners inside. See, that one's rolled up in there. And this one's a little bit bigger. This drawer's a little bit bigger. So it's a toolbox, but it folds in to a jerry can. It's pretty neat. And like I said, it locks. So this all goes back together, just like that. It latches closed just like that. And then you can take the keys, lock it. Now it can't be opened. And carry it around. It is a little bit heavy. It's not super heavy. Now obviously when it's full of tools, it'll be heavier. But I mean, it's not anywhere near as heavy as a gas can full of gas. I mean, I can easily pick it up with one hand. I mean, it's not super heavy, but it is heavier than just an empty gas can. But yeah, it's pretty neat. And like I said, I have the Smittybilt tire carrier, and it fits right here, and I strap it in with this strap, and it all fits in there nice. So this is the can I had in there, and it fit in there easily. I could just easily sit it in there. This one fits in there a little bit tight. It's a little bit difficult to get in there, but that's good. It fits in there tight, and it's not going to shake around or rattle or anything. Like I said, I have this strap on here holding it in. And around the back side, you just see the end of it right there, which I like the black, just because it's not as noticeable in a way that, you know, someone's going to see it and want it, which I'm not really a fan of. I had the green on there. It looked good. Like I said, I don't want this to get stolen, so I do like the black, that it doesn't pop out or stand out or anything. This is what it looks like all closed up with the Smittybilt bumper and tire carrier. I have my CB antenna mounted right here, and this just fits in here really nice. It's not touching the lift gate or anything. I like it a lot. You can't really see it all from this side, but that's the Rampage Toolbox jerry can. I really like it. I think I'm gonna really enjoy it once I get my tools and stuff in there. Probably gonna put the winch remote in there, and you know, some different small tools that I'll need to carry around, you know. And I have this bag over here too I can put tools in. So I really do like this bumper because I can store a lot of stuff on it, and it's very strong, and it can hold a lot of weight and stuff. So yeah, that's it.